I've just come back from a little excursion in which I went out to cook this. I've not had one of these before, but if you watched me last video you know it all went wrong and I didn't get around to having it. However, I'm not gonna be beaten. Let's go for plan B. This is the Soto stove campfire, which I'm dying to use for a little while. And I thought I'd try it with pellets to see how it works. The grate's quite large at the bottom and the pellets will all fall through. So I thought if I throw on some wood to start with and then chuck the pellets on top. I've not seen this done with pellets before. I don't even know if it's going to work very well. But we'll give it a go. What do we do? Flatten them out, I guess. I've used pellets in wood gas stoves before, but nothing as big as this. Just to give you an idea of scale, that's the size of my hand. Looks like he's going okay, but that's the gel burning. We'll see what happens when the gel's burnt out. Wow, they're not joking when they call that the campfire. That's pumping out some heat. That's an absolute beast. Let's open him up. I'm not sure the best way to cook this. Unusual meat. I think all I'll do is slice off the top and slide him in the pan and just fry him off fairly quickly. The biggest challenge with this will be to not burn my hands. That's some fearsome heat, I can tell you. You can probably hear the wood underneath starting to go now. Let's do this. This isn't going to take long at all. In you go, son. Little garlic. You can see from that he's virtually smokeless. It's absolutely awesome. That's a roaring fire in there. I don't think he's going to be much longer. He's had a couple of minutes to rest. Oh, it's actually a bit pink in the middle. What I think I'm going to do, I'm going to err on the side of caution. Just cooking through a little bit more. Still plenty of heat in that. I thought I'd give you a first person view today. yeah, it's quite bloody, so just give them a couple more minutes. Some of those juices, beautiful juices. And to finish off, a little bit of basil. Why not? Basil's a bit limp, it's been out with me all day. So there we have it. Flash fried ostrich. What do you think? Let's try a piece. I got so carried away, I forgot to describe to you what it tastes like. Obviously there's the taste of the basil, but it's also a very kind of gamey sort of chicken leg, maybe duck breast is a good way to describe it. It's quite flavoursome. I'm enjoying this too much. Back to the video. Well, I must say I'm really impressed with that Solo stove campfire. Still too hot to hold my hand, and there's next to nothing left of the pellets. Right, that's it for me. I'm going to enjoy this now. See you next time. InfoShed out.